recognizing the strength of the white male versus the black man. He took the land from the Native American, who I left off in the last short video. Went over into Africa, conquered a little bit of their thing, took them a little bit of their land, brought the prisoners of war, made slaves out of them, back over here to work their land, keep them in bondage. For 400 something years, they kept them under their foot. For 400 some years. Now, the mothers during this time period, the black mothers, the Indian mothers, they didn't want to see their people annihilated altogether because they recognized that the white man had the upper hand. He's a warrior extraordinaire. He's a killer, really. Treacherous killer. Now this man don't have no sensitivity when it comes down to other people, other nationalities. You know, he got a little bit of sympathy for and sensitivity for himself. But he's a cold-blooded, treacherous, ruthless killer. Like the monsters, Jason, that you see on that you see in them horror movies. The man is a killer. So the black woman recognized this, so she didn't want to be annihilated or see her precious children going off the face of the earth. So she played into the hands of the white man to save her child, and then she wanted to mate with him, and thinking that if she mate with him, get a son by him, a daughter by him, he'll be kinder to him, but he didn't. He had a law saying if you got a drop of black blood in you, you black and you subject to be under my foot forever. He made that a law, see. It's ingrained in the average Caucasian. It's ingrained in them that anybody with any blackness in them is beneath their feet. Even though they have sex with you, even though they love black women, but that's all they love you for. And then you gotta be in their mindset for them to give you any kind of benefits or whatever. If you don't think like a white man for America, see, America mean white. If you don't think like that, he don't have no, he don't dig you. He's not gonna mess with you. You gotta be thinking like he wants you to think, like him, see. So you see a whole lot of these black women with long, streaming hair, colored blonde, some of them whatever, straight, all of it straight. You know, some of them wearing dreadlocks. They can have it both ways. They can have long hair, you know, and it's not straight, but it's locked and it looks like it's straight. Wearing short dresses and, you know, see, sex is different from love and mating, having mate and a helpmate, and sex is just that. It's just to get rocks off, get your rocks off. You know, to have a climax. And he's a junkie for that, junkie for sex. But he not gonna. Very few of them will settle down with a sister And then she got to be of a certain financial, economic level, you know. And then they'll pimp her, you know, if they could. Like Latoya Jackson and Janet Jackson and anybody else, you know. So, you know, but you're thinking American, see. You're thinking of aiding their world, help further build this American dream up, which really is an illusion. You know, it's really an illusion. So a lot of you can't understand it, but it's an illusion. It's built on a house of cards. It's built on sand, quicksand, really. It's not built on righteousness. So it's gonna fall, see. You can't destroy a whole two people. You're destroying the native. You destroy the Native American, the Mexican, the Chinese, building up this joint, and the African or the black man. He's destroyed. His culture is gone. You know. This is Black Light coming back at you on the other side of this one.